What is going on, YouTube? Today I got a new fund that I'm looking at. Well, I've already bought some shares of. It's called RIVERNORTH Opportunity Fund. Um, I have 3 shares of this, and I'm liking it so far. I've done some research on it. I think it's a good thing to invest in. Here's the website of RIVERNORTH and all the highlights of it, the news, what's going on with it. It pays 18 cents a share per month. It's a closed-ended fund, and they invest in ETFs, a lot of ETFs. So this fund's ETF that invests in other ETFs as well. So you're pretty much safe there, a safe bet. Here are the holdings of it. Here, the top 10 holdings. And these top 10 are either ETFs or funds, and funds are pretty much ETFs, the top 10, and there are different sectors as well. So it's really diverse. It's really diverse in financial, technology, and energy, industrial, a little bit of real estate, a little bit of utilities, and it has bonds too. So it has stocks and bonds, and U.S. Treasury bonds, government bonds, and stuff like that. So pretty interesting. I think the biggest portion is bonds and stocks. So I think this is a safer bet than our normal stock because it invests in a whole lot of ETFs as well. So almost 4.99% of this ETF, and we'll open this one up here. And this ETF, go to the holdings here, has Burger King, has Dell, Western Digital, Charter Communications, CenturyLink, Sprint. So it's invested 5% of their holdings is in this ETF, which invests in other things as well. So Riverside's a pretty nice something to invest into. If you don't know what to invest into versus buying an individual stock, you can invest in something like this to invest in other ETFs as well. And it's very, very diverse. Let's see, go to this fund here. And let's see, go to these holdings here. So this is corporate ETF, Wells Fargo, not Wells Fargo. These companies I don't know much about, but it's 99.9% invested in this as well. So to try this one right here, took a look at the holdings, wasn't involved. This is like federal bonds, mortgage loans, mortgage corporations. So this is a very diverse fund to invest in, and I'm investing more into closed-ended funds because they're a little bit safer because they invest in other different things, not just one stock. Most of my stocks are cutting their dividends right now because of the pandemic, but the funds are pretty much going pretty well. They're still paying their dividend, and this pays a monthly dividend as well. So the Riverside, and the price ain't bad, only $12.89 a share, and the dividends 18 cents per month. So it's pretty good. It's gone up. Last year was 17 cents, now it's 18 cents a month. So it's not bad. You look at last year, it's been $17.50, $17. It dropped down because of what's going on right now. So it's not a bad price to pick some of these up. But I said, do your homework first before you pick this up. But I like it. I own 3 shares of this, and it's well diverse. It's really well diverse. If you look at this past month, if I can pull this up, it's been up and down, but the price has always been $12, $13 a share, which is not bad. For the year, I like when I see it straight line. It's been consistent. very consistent, and drop here. So right now it's at $12.89. Last year it was 16, 17 bucks. So it's a good thing to get now, $12 or $16. So I own 3D shares. I like it. Like I say, it's well diverse. If you don't know what to buy, I would say invest in a closed-ended fund or ETF. And if you get a fund that invests in other ETFs, is even better. I mean, this is way safer than an individual stock. Let's do one more. Let's try this Royalty Prime Rate Trust and see what's inside here. Okay, it owns 3% of this ETF inside. And we go to the holdings. Got this. It has these companies that I don't know much about. It has CenturyLink, Caesars Resort Collection, LLC B Loans. This is all the loans here. It's 100% corporate. So it's very diverse fund to invest. Let's try one more. Let's see the holdings. Now it invests. Now this invests in. Let's see Riverside. This has 3% of this ETF, and this ETF invests in other Apple, Microsoft, Intel, Google, Williams companies, Nestle. So I invest in a lot of companies as well. LG. So this is a good one to pick up. I say price ain't bad neither. So pick one up. Do your homework first before you buy some. And that's it for the video. I'm just doing reviews on different stocks I invested in and pass on the word that you can invest in this too. It's not a bad fund to invest in. Founded in 2010. It's a pretty good fund. So that's the end of my video. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know below the video. And thanks for watching the Dividend Stock King. Thanks for watching.